good YouTube content, me sucking wind.
Is that gonna make it on YouTube? I hope so.
Probably. It's being videoed, so.
He locks that door like it's on me. I was just out here not doing nothing.
6 loads of gravel, I think is what his. Which, I guess I'm a fish bro. You see how I do. So, yeah, so I think he was talking like right here is where we would finish this wall.
The
like,
4 foot?
Yeah, well, I think he would come into one, you know, to like fall off into one somehow here.
Yeah.
And then it would be 4 foot at the deep end. So we can just screw our boards to the side of it there. So I can go ahead and have, Adam or whatever to lay a line for you.
Well, we're gonna go ahead.
Okay. Angle it off and then turn up this side of the guidelines there. Just keep it a foot off of each way. That way, we ain't trying to get Duke to keep this off fast. All right. That's good with y'all.
Yeah, that's good.
All right, cool deal. Yep.
Thank you, Greg.
Thanks, man. So right here where it drops from 3 to 2, just lay them in a line. That way he knows.
And then what, stop right here?
Yeah, just stop right here where it drops down and just laying them out. So they have a general idea. They don't have to be perfect. We can always adjust. But, all right, we're gonna finish this call. Up there, when we first, like I was telling Legend earlier, when we first started, it was just me and a couple dudes, right? So we would just add gravel as we need it, and we'd build these small walls, which wasn't a big deal. But that's why that wall right there is not having no problems, because there's 14 other freaking walls in front of it holding it. This one is like holding its own. So it's, the water coming off, it's rushing to push it out here. So that has it was built in layers. This one was not. It was just slammed and, yeah. Dude, I wish I could find the freaking keys to this thing. They got it unlocked yesterday, but I gotta figure something out, dude, or I'm about to get it towed.
He said it's one of them 3.5, 4-inch ones or something. I guess it's like.
Oh, it's a multi one.
Yeah, like a universal.
Oh yeah. I've seen those before, but I don't know.
I told him to get a picture to see.
Like what it does is it has a reducer inside. I've seen them. I don't know what that part number is or what.
All right, I'm just gonna do 28.
2800. 28,000. Okay.
If we could just do 2800 and call it even, that'd be good, though.
Yeah, how would we do that?
No, we can't do that. Can't do that. I'm sorry.
Oh. If y'all want to go on in there, I'll be in there in a minute. Scott just walked in.
What's going on? What's up?
How are you?
All right. What's this here?
This is for YouTube.
I have to charge you.
What's your price? How expensive are you?
I'm expensive.
Expensive?
Are you?
Yeah.
You can charge us whatever from me and you can split it.
Yeah. Okay. Not there. Just what's
Yeah.
studded.
So this room in here will be drop ceiling too?
Everything's drop ceiling.
Okay. Alright.
How are you, brother?
Money. $100 bills. We don't
He
go.
charges for being on camera.
We don't go on camera for free.
Hey, listen, they put this ugly mug on it, it'd be alright. Real quick, this right here, I know it's for like that airspace junk or whatever, but can we go through this or do we need to go above and go through it?
You can go through it.
Okay.
This is just the cavity that's left when we built the house for the stairwell.
Okay.
See, we got 4 trusses.
Yeah.
And then this was just the cavity that's left, so we framed. That's why that's like that. But I had to put that up there when we built the house for a fire break. Right here's the plans. It's going over there. This is already built.
Yep.
I'm gonna build a closet right there in that corner for a laundry room.
Just to encase the washer and dryer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, alright.
Okay. I don't know the electrical on this yet. I'll know probably by Wednesday. She's getting her cabinets laid out, and then we'll work it out. I'm gonna hug that floor truss really tight.
Okay.
Wherever she wants a light fixture at, we'll nail like a 210 block up there, and then we can screw the box right to it. Make it easy on y'all.
Okay. Cause you said it's gonna be drop ceiling?
Yeah, but I ain't dropping it by about yay much.
What if we just did those cutting cans? The
She
cans?
said, I don't think she'll go for it.
Okay.
It's pretty cut and dry. Ain't nothing to it.
Yeah. That's built
That's gonna be a bedroom, but it's gonna be a fake bedroom for now.
because, I see,
So there's gonna be a closet back here, so let's roll up a hot back here for now on.
Okay, she's still got access here, and we just put much in that right panel. Yeah. And we just plan, I know she is adamant for no gas, so, for that little stove over there, I'm sure she's gonna want all electric.
Yeah, it's all gonna be electric.
When do you want to get this thing rolling?
After she gets to drawing on those cabinets.
If there's a junction, then yes.
Yeah. Well, we probably could extend the box and just put a cover on it.
Yeah, I saw it in that receptacle. I think that runs. Yeah, that's no problem. If you give me, whenever you get the layout, so you're saying probably about a week and a half, 2 weeks maybe? You'd be ready for us? If plumber?
Hopefully in a week.
Okay.
Hopefully in a week.
Okay, so washer and dryer.
Yeah.
Um,
Then we'll load the walls up with receptacles.
yeah, we'll do everything. We'll go above code, obviously, and just get her going. So you're thinking she may bring some cabinets down this left
I'll
side?
know probably by Wednesday.
Okay, and you're just gonna run 2 beams down and then wrap them? Is that your plan?
Yeah.
I guess I don't know if I'm heading, we're not heading to Wilkesboro now, right?
I told Daisy just gonna get them on lunch.
Good, okay. I got them at Lake Hickory Haunts working, I got them in the Coves. Going to Nebo tomorrow.
I understand.
I'm grateful. The timer,
I have a working pencil, I can take notes.
Timer on their parking lot lights.
Seems like Josh has it. I mean, why are we even arguing about this?
you just grab the camera from him and
Josh, go see what you need.
you follow him with the camera.
Josh, just go tell them we're here, but we're not getting out. They're gonna have to come out here and tell us what the problem is.
This is that drive-through.
They wanna go take pictures and come back out here and show us, that's fine.
It's for the timer, correct?
Yeah, yes. Me and my district manager were back there messing with it. So the parking lot lights will come on during the day, and he set the timer for it to come on at nighttime, but it didn't come on at nighttime. It only came on during the day, and then they went off at night.
Okay.
And it's right there. We just assumed it was the timer. I don't know anything about it though.
I got you. We'll take a look at it.
Yeah, they're gonna look at the lights.
Just squeak. What? What happened?
Let me get a picture of that.
Oh.
Can we kill it? See any breakers? Huh? Do you see any breakers to turn it off?
A lot of breakers.
You can turn lights on, big lights from here.
All they do though is you want to come out and do it, take his panel door off,
Will that tell us?
and then you'll look right here.
Yeah.
Boom.
Not this one though?
Nope.
No. Only this one.
Only.
Oh. What about this one?
And this one.
Not this one?
Nope.
Does this have anything to do with it?
Yeah.
Oh.
But it comes.
But you don't think it could go across?
No, it's on this one.
What if it went up and back down?
A lot of work for that.
Leave on.
Leave on.
Let's go figure out what she wants.
I've had this couch right here dirty in about 2 days.
2 days? I have Barry right now.
I sit on it right now. Sit on it right now. There's a bump right on it.
First before y'all can do it.
Okay, yeah, we can have your quote sent by the end of the day.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Thank y'all so much.
Yep.
Thank you.
You have a good one.
He said that his girlfriend basically says that he's just a go around town with a can of gasoline just trying to bum the flame because he's going to burn the whole place down.
Yeah.
That's kind of where I was at yesterday.
Did you talk to him?
No, they won't answer the phone.
I got you
So,
blocked.
How y'all doing? We just broke the windows so we can get in and unlock the door.
I'm just picking.
Oh yeah, for sure. Hey, let me get these guys on this job down here in Nebo. I'll call you back.
Sounds good, buddy.
See you, dude. Alright, bye. So we're gonna put a plastering up here with that. We're gonna flex down and just come in, do like a cut in or something right here and bust it out. And we're gonna go ahead and pull this HDMI cord from there as well and not put it in the flex, okay? And then we're gonna add a receptacle on this side. You should be able to pull power. There's a receptacle there. I think there's one over here too. There's a minimum one. There's one right here. Or you can just, I don't know. This is what I was telling you about the cut floor. I would say probably right there, I would cut a chunk out. And then I would cut this out. Right here. This should stay. I think this is most likely fed off one of those receptacles. So this will stay. This is your new layout, so you can see kind of what they've got going on. It's like an under cabinet fridge or something like that. Yeah.
Wine cabinet.
Yeah, that right there. That is going to have to be junctioned and brought up to the top right for a wall oven. So that needs to be brought up there. This is going away. They want to mirror these lights. These will all change to those seal trims that we do. And they said they'll do the rest of these by themselves. I would space these out a little bit more. I thought about just doing 4 and lining them up with those. Maybe better, but the issue is you got this area that's going to be dark. And this is essentially going to be just where they sit. I mean, you may need 9 lights, but I thought 6 may be enough.
6 is plenty.
It is. And obviously they're wanting a dimmer.
I'd say that, they're gonna have to stroke out and turn the switch on.
It's like a camper.
It's like a 5,000 square foot camper.
Yeah.
It's exactly like that.
Instead of a 5th wheel, it's more like a 12th wheel.
He locks that door like that's fine with me. I'll just stay out here and not do nothing.
What's wrong with that? What's wrong with this?
Greg, look at this board. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, at some point today, I'm going through that, and I'm calling you.
It's a mistake like
And I'm gonna sue you.
You suing me for it, I'd do it.
See, that's it. That's my leg.
Oh, they're all like that.
There must not be a. Whatever.
Stops here.
Maybe that board rotted under it and fell in. That's safe.
Huh.
Workers' comp incoming.
Yes, sir. Alright.
Gonna be good YouTube content. Me sucking wind.
You just don't breathe after. You don't sound out of breath.
Just hold my breath for a while while the camera's running.
I threw it back here.
Oh, my bad. Josh, is the camera off?
Yes.
Is remove the sheetrock so I can see it. However, I spoke with the chief inspector, and if you can get a letter from your installation person certifying what was installed, then we can maybe accept that. However, when he sends it to our chief, he will need to be very descriptive, because if not, we may have to take all the sheetrock off. Please do not do any more work until this is resolved.
Well,
Is that going to make it on YouTube? I hope so.
probably. It's being videoed, so. Alright. What a freaking waste. So, gosh, mighty dude. John said something about wanting to add a receptacle somewhere.
Well, yeah, I was hoping to get a quote. I didn't know he was going to have it on here. But, we need a receptacle along this wall. As you can see, we're having a lot of, like, wiring issues right here. So I was hoping just maybe
Down low.
far enough away from the scene. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
What do we got? Is it just a light mostly that you're gonna need?
But we have, it's just, we're not looking for like heavy duty appliances. We have our microdermabrasion machine. We have the light. She's got a bed warmer on here. Any kind of machine that we need to hook up.
Yeah, my only concern about that is if what all's on that same circuit. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, you
That's
mean like
not
from the
right,
other?
like if it's-
Okay, okay.
For sure. So
Can you, to be honest, could you give me a quote on
Both.
adding, and yeah, just both, so.
which I think the issue is we're gonna have to probably pull it. We added a panel on the end of the building for the pizza place, right? So
Right.
we may end up having to just pull a straight home run. The only issue is getting in this wall.
The wall in that room,
Yeah.
we could poke a hole in it and like, just say for instance, pop down to the top of the wall and then just come over to the top of the wall and drill down.
That wall, fish it down and put a cutting box over this wall here and come out of it and just run straight like run BX or pop across it so you don't see it. That way you wouldn't really see anything.
That's what I was saying, you know, come down, I mean, you'd see it coming down the wall
Right.
unless you fished on the wall.
That's what I was thinking, fish it, we can put a cutting box.
Yeah.
I'll quote it both ways. That way one's more hidden and, well, they both should be, you know, hidden. But I'll quote it. I just think, you know what I'm saying, because you don't really know how these stinking circuits are running, right? So like if whatever's on that back wall is all on the same circuit that this wall is on, you could run potential of tripping it. So
Okay.
either way, I'll quote it both ways and I'll let you make the decision and we'll just kind of,
Okay.
I'll just put that disclaimer in on the quote. Do you have an email address or something?
I do.
Okay, cool deal. I'll get a quote on all this for you and send it over. It'll probably be sometime this afternoon.
Okay.
But I should be in my office here in a couple hours and I'll take a look at it for you.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Yep, thank you.